In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get started with GitHub Actions in just 5 minutes. GitHub Actions is a powerful tool for automating software workflows directly from your GitHub repository. Whether you're looking to automate your build, test your code, or deploy a project, GitHub Actions has got you covered. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. First things first, head over to GitHub by simply opening your web browser and typing github.com. This is going to bring you to the familiar GitHub homepage. It's a good idea to bookmark this page if you plan on frequenting it often for your projects and collaborations. Once there, you'll see an option to sign in at the top right corner of the screen. Click on that sign in button to proceed. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your credentials. In this case, simply enter your GitHub username or the email address associated with your account. Make sure that your information is correct to avoid any login hiccups. Next, you'll be prompted to enter your password. Security is paramount, so ensure that your password is both strong and memorable. And remember, never share your password with anyone to keep your account secure. Now that we've entered our username and password, click the sign in button to access your GitHub dashboard. You've made it to your main GitHub dashboard. From here you can navigate through all your repositories and see any updates at a glance. The next step is to access the repository you want to create an action for. On your dashboard you'll find a list of your repositories. Click on the one you want to work with to open its main page. This is the hub for your specific project. It's here where you'll create and manage your GitHub actions. On the repository page, you'll see several tabs at the top: code, issues, pull requests, and so on. Click on the Actions tab. The Actions tab is where you'll manage your workflows and automations. If this is your first time here, you'll see an option to start setting up workflows. GitHub provides several template workflows to help you get started quickly. Finally, you'll select a workflow template that fits your needs. These templates are predefined workflows that you can use as a starting point, saving you the time of creating your own from scratch. Simply choose the template that aligns with your project requirements and click on it to configure it further. And there you have it. Setting up GitHub Actions is easy and efficient, empowering you to automate repetitive tasks in software development. Be sure to explore different templates and experiment to find what works best for your projects. Thanks for watching and happy coding.